Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to download logo from Wix.com cost free. Yeah, it's cost free. So guys, as you know, we've created our logo in our last video, and in this page, if you can see the preview, we've created this logo. So guys, once you're done with your logo, then you have to go on next. It will be safe, and here if you want to get this logo with website, then you can get by clicking this button. And if you don't want to go with the website, if you just need a logo, then you can go with this button. As you can see guys, here these are the packages for this logo, and you will get all these things in this package. And for now I am not going to pay any amount for this logo. We are going to download this logo free. Just simply, once you reach to this page, you have to scroll down, and here you will see you can download this sample by clicking this. Now I'm going to open it. Yeah, and it's done. As you can see guys, this is my logo I've created on Wix.com. So guys, this is how to download free sample of the logo in Wix.com. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Good luck.